What I'd like to introduce you to today is the Ryobi router table as well as the JM100K biscuit jointer. These two machines will allow you to take your woodworking to another level in the new year 2021. The router table we have over here has an aluminium base. It has fences that slide so that you can keep your work area straight. You have a mitre gauge that will allow you to slide through there. You are able to mount any router to the bottom of this unit. It also enables you to run your power points through here and use one central switch for on and off.
Router bits come in many profiles. That's the term for the shape of the cutting edge. Straight bits make straight cuts to form a groove or a dado. That's a groove across the wood grain. They also can hollow out an area for a mortise or decorative inlay, and they come in a variety of sizes. Rabbeting bits are guided by a pilot bearing at the tip, and they're designed to cut a rabbet or shoulder in the edge of a workpiece, often to join it to another piece. You can buy these bits in a set that includes bearings of different diameters. That means you can cut rabbets of different sizes with a single bit. Flush trim bits make the edge of one material even with the edge of another. You use this type of bit to trim laminate flush with the material underneath or to route multiple identical pieces with a pattern. Flush trim bits usually have a pilot bearing that's the same diameter as the bit's cutter. Edge forming bits come in different profiles and are used to cut a decorative edge. These include chamfer bits, round over bits, OG bits, edge beating bits, and cove bits. Many of these bits also have a pilot bearing. There also are a variety of bits made for special applications. You can use sections of multi-profile molding bits to cut different decorative edge patterns. And with stile and rail bits and raised panel bits, you can make frame and panel doors yourself. Keep in mind, though, that these bits tend to be larger and must be used in a table-mounted router for safety. Besides the different types of bits, you need to know that there are two common sizes of router bit shanks, 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch. Many routers come with collets for both sizes, but some accept only 1/4 inch bits. Whenever possible, use bits with 1/2 inch shanks. You'll get less vibration and they typically produce a smoother cut. Most router bits have solid carbide cutters or carbide tipped cutters, which are harder than high-speed steel and will hold an edge a lot longer, but they're also more brittle, so handle them carefully. You don't want to drop them.
there are a variety of different cutting and shaping options, and are available in a range of individual bits as well as in sets of 6, 12 and 24. All the bits have a tungsten carbide tip and can cut hardwood, softwood, MDF and chipboard. On the edge profilers, a sealed ball bearing will ensure a smooth cut. It does, however, follow the contours of the edge, so make sure that the sides of your workpiece are smooth before getting started. Edge profiling bits are used to cut chamfers, OGs, cove, edge beading and round over decorative edges. You can also get functional bits, like flush trim bits to match up workpiece edges, rabbiting bits for making shoulder cuts, biscuit bits for joining two pieces of wood together, and slotted router bits for when you need to insert glass or boards into display cases or drawer bottoms. For bits without the ball bearing, you will need to use the router fence guide. These bits are great for dados, mortises, grooves and decorative inlays. The bits come in a convenient storage case with pictures of what the profile will look like to make selection easier.
forhome.co.za, online shopping the easy way.